In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a column in the table view in Microsoft Outlook 2003. Whether you want more organized emails or simply need to view specific information at a glance, adding columns can be incredibly useful. So let's dive in and see how you can do it swiftly and effortlessly. First, you'll want to launch Microsoft Outlook 2003 on your Windows computer. Once Outlook is open, navigate to your inbox or any mail folder that you wish to customize. It's important to ensure that your folder is set to a table view, such as the Messages view. This, of course, sets the stage for customizing your view by adding or modifying columns. If you're not already in the right view, don't worry, switching to a table view is simple. Head to the top menu and click on View. Then navigate through Arrange By and choose Current View. Select either Messages or View Settings, customize Current View, depending on your needs. This confirms that you're operating in a table-style list where columns are visibly arranged. Now, it's time to customize those columns. Return to the top menu where you'll click on View, followed again by Arrange By, and then Current View. From here, select Customize Current View. A new window will open. In this window, look for the option that says Fields, and click on it. This action opens the Show Fields dialog, which is the perfect spot for adding or removing columns. Within the Show Fields dialog box, you'll see two lists. On one side, you have the available fields, and on the other side, the Show These Fields in This Order list. To add a column, simply select the name of the column you wish to include from available fields. Options such as size, received to, or categories might be exactly what you're looking for. After selecting your desired column, click Add to transfer it to the Show These Fields in This Order list. Once your column is added, you have the freedom to arrange the order. Use the Move Up or Move Down buttons to set your columns in the preferred sequence. After you're done organizing, just click OK to save your changes. Finally, one more click of OK in the Customize View window, and your setup is complete. Now, your inbox or the folder you've chosen will display the new column or columns you've added. For an extra touch, remember you can always resize or reorder these columns directly by dragging the headers in your inbox view. And that's it! You've successfully enhanced your Microsoft Outlook 2003 experience by adding important columns, making it easier for you to manage and view your emails.